Go for it.
Don't drag him, baby. What am I supposed to do?
Go!
Oh, it's cold. Oh my God, it's cold.
Come on! It's not that bad.
What am I supposed to do?
Play with the dog!
So I'm not dragging him through it.
Hey, bring him over here. Hey, back over here. Jackson! Jackson!
I think he's on his period. Oh God, hang on.
Jennifer, play with that one. Look, over there. Over there.
Hey, my dad made this one, huh? Yeah, you did. You were the first kid to play in it. Because as soon as you got it done, we picked you up here and you got to play on it. Well, my shoes need to be washed, so that's my time. Is the other towel for me?
No, they're both for the dog.
The other towel's for you, too.
Hey, Denver, go into that thingy. Go. Go, go, go.
For you, man. That?
Yeah.
Please just gotta throw it back. Please. Please.
Here, just...
Oh, don't!
Oh, Jackson. Jackson, look. Jackson.
The light is slowly starting to shut off, but nothing's actually shutting off.
Keep going. Keep going. Jackson, go.
You didn't realize that he
Go.
might pee.
So? Just let him. He's having fun.
He's still wet.
Okay.